comes to procuring roof and job order contracting solutions, your job just became much easier. NRP, the leader in facilities performance services, offers comprehensive roof and job order contracting solutions designed to streamline the procurement process and reduce the overall cost of installed roof and construction services. This breakthrough in procurement is made possible through national cooperative purchasing contracts. Services include repair, restoration, replacement, pre- and post-disaster response, portfolio management, building envelope, and more. The traditional bid process can net unqualified bidders, where the low bid often does not equal the best bid. With NRP's cooperative contracts, procuring roof, building envelope, and construction services is easy. Here's why. You have access to competitively bid and awarded contracts. There's savings of time and money while satisfying agency bid requirements. You have the flexibility to work with any major manufacturer. You have the buying power of a national contract. There's a compliance review of proposals. A streamlined procurement process results in fast and timely delivery of projects. And it gets better. There are no membership fees. Utilizing a cooperative contract enables you to concentrate on your daily responsibilities of ensuring a safe, dry, and comfortable environment for your staff, visitors, and students. And since our team members are our most important asset, safety first is paramount. NRP is one of the largest specialty general contractors for roof and job order contracting services nationwide. Contact us today to get started using a cooperative contract.